Hello, this is Robert. Welcome to the U.S. market analysis for today, for Wednesday the 25th of November. The first story I'm going to be talking about today is how the European markets are making a little bit of a rebound after tensions are cooling between Russia and Turkey. People were, I think, the Europeans were a little bit unsure about what was kind of going to happen between Russia and Turkey. I know Russia, I think, was threatening to make some economic punishments or something along those lines, and I think that they ended up actually boycotting some Turkish poultry. So I think that's going to go into effect at the beginning of December. In addition to that, we also have news from the U.S. The Hilton hotels reveal that some of their computers have been their point of sale computers were infected with malware, which was obviously made to steal credit card numbers and personal customer client information. So the Hilton Hotel Company warns clients who paid the credit card between November 18th and December 5th of 2014 that they should check their accounts, and also I apologize also for people who use their credit cards from April 21st to July 27th of this year should check their card activity to make sure that there's not any unusual activity. In addition to that, the euro has dropped down to a new 7-month low. So that brings the euro USD rate to about to just below 1.6 or 1.06. Apologize, 1.06. And I believe that's because the European Central Bank is planning on cutting the deposit rate by at least 30 points the next week. And that, in addition, has caused the dollar to strengthen as well. So, in regards to our news on Wednesday about the Pfizer purchase of Allergen, Ian Reid actually was making some comments recently about the acquisition, and basically he's saying that they did the tax inversion, which means that they purchased Allergen for the purpose of avoiding tax payments in the U.S. For the purpose of avoiding paying as much tax in the U.S. as they currently do, and so they said that this is for the idea that it's gonna free up money so that Pfizer has a better ability to invest in the U.S. and create more jobs. So we'll see if that's really true or what their plans are, but I don't think there's very much confidence, and that's the sole reason for the acquisition merger. And also, kind of a little bit more in talking about Russia. Russia and Ukraine have been having some problems recently, and Ukraine is going to stop buying the Russian gas. I believe it's because Russia has been, first of all, Russia has been. They raised the price on the Ukraine a little bit, so it's a little bit more expensive for the Ukraine to buy the Russian gas than it is for the rest of Europe. And so yeah, apparently Ukraine hasn't paid back the bill for a couple days or a couple weeks, and so there's some problems with the relationships between the two of them. This happened in 2009 in winter, and sorry, I apologize. This threatens the gas availability for the rest of Europe because the pipeline flows through the Ukraine, and this actually happened in 2009 in winter, and so they're hoping this doesn't happen again this winter because it could cut gas supply to a lot of European houses this winter, which would not be very good because it's already starting to get a little bit cold over there. And in addition to that, Ukraine also banned Russian planes from landing in Ukraine last week. So the relationship between the two countries is not doing very well right now. So we're hoping that will recover over the next couple weeks. That is it for today's U.S. market analysis. I know that we did a little bit of European stuff in there today too, but it's kind of the big news that's affecting the world. So. There we go. Please tune back in on Thursday, tomorrow at around the same time, and I will hope to see you then.